Is your Toyota Highlander key fob not working? A dead battery is likely the culprit. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY replacement for 2020-2023 models, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Replacing it yourself typically costs under $10, while a professional replacement ranges from $50 to $100. No major design changes to the key fob have occurred, ensuring this guide's accuracy. Remember to work in a dry environment to prevent static discharge. First, locate the small slot on the edge of your key fob. Gently insert the screwdriver or pry tool to open the case. It snaps apart. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive side's orientation, which is usually marked. Insert the new CR2032 battery, with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, snap the case back together and test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation or consider that the fob may have a deeper hardware issue. Batteries degrade faster in extreme temperatures, so that you may need to replace them more often depending on environmental factors. Enjoy your newly working key fob.